Good morning children, I am Sarida. Now I am going to teach you the remaining usefulness of microbes. In the last class I talked to you about the use of microorganisms in the food industry as it used for making curd, bread, in the baking industry, etc. And as a commercial purpose or commercial use, due to the fermentation nature, some microbes are used in the beverage industry, and in the medicinal industry also the microbes are used for the preparation of antibiotics, vaccines, etc. that we already learned in the last class. Now we can see other friendly microbes. Let's see the usefulness. So in the last class I taught you about the usefulness in the food industry, in the baking industry, in the beverage industry, in the medicinal industry also, medical industry or medical field also. So we can write over here in the food industry, then baking industry, then beverage industry, then medical industry, etc. Next we can see other usefulness. Some microbes which are used to increase the soil fertility. The continuous use of nutrients from the soil by the plants cause the decrease in the amount of nutrients. So the essential nutrients, the most important nutrients for the proper growth and development of the plants are NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Let you know. NPK. These are the essential nutrients required by the plants for their proper growth and development. N stands for nitrogen, P phosphorus, K potassium. NPK. And this phosphorus and potassium are available in the soil itself, but nitrogen is present only in the atmosphere in gaseous form. That need to be converted into compound form to absorb by the plants. So this gaseous form of nitrogen can be fixed by some microbes, and due to lightning or rain, these nitrogen reach on the soil, and that nitrogen need to convert into simple form, then only the plants can absorb. So that is done by some microbes such as bacteria, cyanobacteria. It is called as cyanobacteria. It is also known as blue-green algae. Cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. Then rhizobium. These are the nitrogen fixing microbes. Then azotobacter. Then clostridium. These are called nitrogen fixing bacteria. Nitrogen fixing bacteria. Okay, so the nitrogen fixing bacteria can fix the atmospheric nitrogen in the soil and enrich the soil with the nitrogen and thereby increase the soil fertility. So these are the microbes help for the nitrogen fixation. Is it clear? Now I will show you one cyanobacteria. These bacteria are present in the roots of leguminous plants. Okay. And next we can see cleaning the environment. Some microbes present in the soil act as decomposers. So, especially bacteria, decomposers. So, these decomposers convert the plant and animal waste into simple substances. Okay, so the plant waste can be converted into manure. Plant waste can be converted into decomposes. Okay, and these manure can again absorbed by the plants as nutrients. So there is a cyclic flow of nutrients because of the presence of this microbes in the form of decomposers. Okay, and the animal waste also they convert into simple harmless substances and get mixed with the soil. Thus, it cleans the environment. So, it acts on dead decayed matter present in the soil and convert this dead decayed matter into simple harmless substances and thus clean the environment. So, it acts as a cleaning agent to the environment. So, these are the usefulness of microbes. Hope you understood everything about the usefulness of microbes. In the next class, we can see the harmful effects of microbes. That's all for today.